Has anybody ever heard of Crew Line? It's made in Taiwan. This thing is like super heavy. It was my wife's dad's, and he's passed away, so I can't even ask him about it, but like, it's got this on the top of it. I just found this in an old toolbox. And I mean, the back drag, I could probably take it apart and clean it, but this thing's pretty dang cool. I ain't gonna lie, like, I wish I would have seen this before. I got this in here. That little plastic thing that you slip on the 3/8. Do this real quick. And then you could put your socket on there. And, I mean, it's okay. It works. But, like, I mean, you can hear how loud it is, but I've never even heard of Crew Line. I tried looking it up. Anybody has any information, drop a comment below.